guys, welcome back to my channel. So I put a poll on my Instagram post asking what would you like to see a DIY, and you all said yes. So today I will be doing not one but two DIYs for you. So the first one, I will be doing a Chanel wall art to hang in your beauty room or your bedroom or whatever. So that's the first one. And then the second one is a lip inspired by Kylie Jenner, the lip that she does, but I did a silver because my beauty room will be silver. So if you want to know how I got these and how I did these, then keep on watching. So the things you would need is these blank canvases. I got 3 packs for £5 in the range. You will need a silver paint, a glitter paint, a glue stick, and a lip stencil. So these are the products that you will need. So let's get started. So first thing is, you've got your blank canvas and your stencil. So I'm going to tape each corner so it will stay in the place that I want it. So now I'm just gonna place it there so I can keep it steady. On each corner. To use the silver paint. So I've got a little paintbrush thing, and I've got some paintbrush good. So now I'm using acrylic paint. Let's start. So we're going to just get a little blob like so, and we're just gonna paint all over. This might need a few coats, but so now I've painted it. I'm just gonna leave it to dry for 1 hour, and then it might need a second coat, so we will get back to it. So now I've done the second coat, it's moving on to the glitter. So what you'll need is a regular glue stick and your choice of glitter. I'm using a silver glitter, so let's get on to it. So the first thing is I'm going to plaster all the lip in glue, because then the glitter will stay on. So I'm gonna get the glue open and we're just gonna sprinkle it all over like so. So once we've shaken off the glitter, now it's time to take it off. So you slowly take off the paper like so, like glitter. Glitter everywhere. Look at that. So once you're happy with that, you can add like little drips, like Kylie Jenner. To add lip. So moving on to the second project, I've put a stencil I printed out of a Chanel logo, and I've just stuck it with a cupcake tape. And now I'm going to draw around it. Now I've done that, I'll take the stencil off and it will go like that. So now we're going to move on to the paint, and we are going to use this black one, and you're going to get a very thin brush so you can trace over it. So I'm going to use a old makeup brush and I'm just going to go round the edges. So I've done the outline, so now is the fun part. We are going to paint all of this black. So now basically I writ out like I did with this Chanel. So now I'm going to get the black paint like I did with the logo. And once you finish that, that is your latest product. I'm so happy with this. So that is how I got these two done. And it didn't cost me that much at all. If you enjoy these DIYs and you would like to see more, then definitely subscribe and like on this video and tell me what else you would like to see DIY. My beauty room should be finished very, very soon, so I can't wait for you all guys to see that as well. And I will see you again my next time, butterflies. Bye.